What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Keelan Windorf, and today we're going to do an ASMR unboxing. Now, this is inspired by one of my favorite ASMR artists, Matty Tingles. He has a lot of different shoes, and I really enjoy the shoe videos that he does. And I decided, because I want to add a little bit more style to my performances, I was going to get a new pair of custom Nike Air Force Ones. So we're going to open those up and do a little bit of ASMR with those. So here's the box it comes in. Says Nike by you, so anytime you get custom Nikes, they come in this kind of box, and it's pretty cool. It has a little bit of details on it. I've noticed watching other videos that it states your name in this corner, but they didn't do it for this one, but it's fine. I'm excited with these. So the reasoning that I got these, like I said, was because I wanted some new style for when I performed. And again, I was inspired by Matty Tingles, and I usually wear Vans. I grew up wearing Vans. I grew up wearing Converse, and I decided I wanted to try some Air Force Ones because I've never had really an expensive shoe growing up. So this is kind of like my first take at having an expensive shoe at 27. So, do you guys like the rapid tapping, or do you like the slow? I'm a huge fan of rapid tapping. I feel like with having ADHD, it's kind of just very calming to hear. My rhythm was off. So let's get these open. Now, like I said, with growing up, I had a lot of Converse and I had a lot of Vans. The inspiration for these actually stemmed from that. So I looked into the Dunks, and Dunks had a nice look. I also like the sound of paper sometimes. Let's show you that, crinkle it. It says 1 of 1, by the way. 1 of 1. So before I show you, like I said, the influence, I liked how Dunks look. I like how Vans are. I'm a huge fan of gum sole shoes. And I like the look of Jordans, but I don't think I could pull off Jordans. So I was always looking into those kinds of styles, and I figured, let me just make a shoe that I feel that will kind of resemble what in my head I think I would wear, rather than looking at designs that most people have. Plus, it's very cool to have your own little thing when you're on stage. So these are gonna be fun to perform in, and get them out here. I'm gonna do this in a Matty Tingles way. I have my camera so low, but you guys ready for the first look of these shoes? You know they're Air Force Ones, but check these out. These look so dope, to me at least. So I've always enjoyed the look of white on white shoes. Again, one of those things I didn't think I could pull off. Let's see if we can get some sounds off of this. I need to come back and do a magic ASMR video soon. So like I said, the sole is an inspiration by Vans. I've been a huge fan of the gum sole. Gum sole. The white on white's kind of a cool, but I kind of went for a white shoe. I usually do like a dark Vans shoe because I'm like always worried that they're gonna get dirty. So I've been trying white shoes lately because I always like, they look very clean, especially when you're trying new looks. We got the black swoosh, which originally, this is a little tidbit. Originally, I wanted the swoosh in the like the satin. The only issue, or suede, sorry, suede, not satin, suede. The swoosh was supposed to be in suede, but we have a husky, and I'm afraid that everything would stick to it, so it'd look like white on white because of the husky's fur. So there's the black swoosh, and then the toe here. I kind of wanted to go for that reverse Jordan look. There's a lot of Jordans where it's just like the original Chicago Jordan is the red and it has a white toe. There is a version with the black toe, but I don't think it's the Chicago version. I think it's a variation. However, I felt the contrast looked really well with this. Kind of reminds me of like a reverse panda maybe. And then we have the black tongue with the white logoing. We have the inside that is black. And then the back, I actually got custom. It's KW1, so it's my initials 1, because it's my first pair of Air Force Ones I've ever gotten. This, I was thinking about doing this in the suede as well, so it kind of would have fed into it. But again, I didn't want it to get too dirty. I already know they're gonna get dirty and bent up from performing in, and plus the white is gonna just be cringy to see. But also I've heard people say that the dirtiness on the white Air Forces kind of gives it some character, so not gonna be too mad about it. Can always get some more shoes. But I'm excited. These are gonna be super fun to wear, and I'll probably post pictures on Facebook and Instagram, maybe even a TikTok of me wearing these on stage. But these are my new go-tos for when I perform bigger shows, comedy shows. Normally when I'm doing like street magic or whatever, I like to just wear something comfortable, and these are pretty comfortable, but I usually just do just something like running shoes. Super basic, but when it comes to like doing something with the crowd, I just wanted something that stuck out a bit. So let me know what you think of these in the comments below. I want to thank you guys for watching. And is there any variations of Jordans, Dunks, Air Force Ones that you like? Put those in the comments as well. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe this video. I'm gonna do more ASMR with magic. I wonder if there's, can you do ASMR comedy? Is that a thing? We'll give it a try sometime. But thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys next time.